Hello and congratulations for purchasing SociClicks. I'm 100% sure that you will make most out of this extraordinary app that is going to help you to generate more traffic towards your offers, towards your website, and to make more commissions and more sales, because that is ultimately what we want to achieve, right? So basically, let me show you very quickly and very clearly what you can do with SociClicks, because it's an extremely useful app. Probably you have a lot of social media accounts, and probably you want to use your social media accounts and audiences to market your offers, your products, your services, to generate more sales for your own products or for affiliate products and generate more commissions and sales, right? Now, the problem is that on most of the social media networks, it's not that easy to generate traffic directly to your websites, because those social media networks actually don't want you to redirect that traffic out of their platform to different platforms, okay? And it's harder and harder and more expensive than ever to drive traffic outside of social media networks and to direct that traffic to your offers. And basically, SociClicks comes as a solution for that, and it can be very helpful for you, and it can give you the right insights about your audience as well, so that you can optimize what you are promoting to them and to generate even more traffic and more sales, okay? Now, basically what SociClicks will help you to do is basically post images on your social media networks accounts, like on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Pinterest, right? So on 5 major social networks, SociClicks will allow you to post images that are clickable. Okay, there's no other app at this moment that can do that on all of these 5 major networks. Now let me show you very quickly how to use the app and how to go through it, okay? First things first, what you want to do is to import your social accounts. You will see that you have a left side menu here. This is basically after you have purchased the app, okay? You log into your dashboard and this is what you will see. You will have this left side menu. What you want to do is go ahead and select this option, import social accounts. So what you want to do is click on import social accounts. And here you will have all the options, okay, to import all your social accounts for the 5 major social networks that I've mentioned to you. So you have Twitter, you have Pinterest, you have LinkedIn, you have Tumblr, and you have Facebook, where you can add your Facebook profile, your Facebook pages, and your Facebook groups as well. So you don't post only on your profile, but you have access to your other audiences, which are in groups and in pages as well, okay? Now, very quickly, how you connect an account here, it's very simple. The nice part about this is the fact that if you import your social accounts from, let's say, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and Facebook, let's say you don't have an audience on Twitter, so you have for 4 of the 5 social networks. When you create a post with an image which is clickable, you can post it on all 5 at a time, or on all 4 at a time. It depends on how many you connected, right? Now let me show you an example. Let's say that we want to add a Pinterest account. Okay, we want to link our Pinterest account. We just click on add Pinterest account. This is what will appear, and we press the button OK. And this is it, okay? You can see that my Pinterest account has been added, okay? And what you can see here are all the boards that I have on my Pinterest account, because on Pinterest you have different boards, right? Now, if I want to add my LinkedIn account, I just go into the LinkedIn section, I press add new account, I'll be redirected, I have to log in, I have to allow access, and the same thing happens, okay? I will have a new LinkedIn account added, and it works the same for Twitter and for Tumblr. Now let me show you for Facebook how it works. We have to press add new account here. So when we want to import a new Facebook account, we have to enter our Facebook numeric ID. How do we find our Facebook numeric ID out? We just go ahead on our Facebook page, okay? We go on our profile, we copy and paste the link from the browser address, okay? And what we want to do in this option on SociClicks here, you can see that below the field where we have to paste our Facebook numeric ID, we have an option which says find your Facebook numeric ID, okay? We click on this small button, and basically here we passed our Facebook profile link, we press the button find numeric ID, and this is our numeric ID. We copy this one, we go back to our app, we paste it here, and then we press the button send app request. Okay, our app request will be sent. Then we have to go back to Facebook. Let me just check Facebook. Okay, we will get here a notification, as you will see. Okay, we just have to press this notification. We confirm it, and basically we're pretty much done. Now we go back to the app, we press the button I have confirmed app request in Facebook, and we're pretty much done. Okay, now what we can do is press the button login with Facebook, and we will get this pop-up. We press the continue button, and bear with me for a couple of moments. We press the button OK, OK again, and in a couple of seconds we will be pretty much done. Okay, we just have to wait for the app to load everything. So now basically it has connected with my profile. So SociClicks has connected with my profile, and as you can see, it has imported my Facebook profile, but also my pages and the groups that I administrate. Okay, you can see here that I have a page list. I can delete some of the pages if I want to, okay, from my social accounts in SociClicks. And if you scroll down, we have the group list as well, and we can delete this one as well if we want to. Okay, now what we want to do after we have connected our accounts, I want to show you guys exactly how you can create a new campaign. Okay, basically we go ahead in this option in the left side menu where it says create campaign, we click on it. So basically we have clicked on the create campaign button, and this is what will appear for us. Now basically we have to give it a name. We will name it test 1, and here we have to put in the link where we want to redirect people when they click on our image. Now let's say that we want to redirect them on this is one of my websites. Let me just type it in. Okay, not this one. Okay, I want to redirect people here. I just copy my address, I paste in here, and we're pretty much done. I give it a title, okay, for the link. This one, okay, description, I can give it a certain description for the link, like get here right away and grab your 50% discount, okay, something like that. Post content, okay, any content display alongside clickable image, only works for Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So basically you have seen that the images that appear sometimes with a link have also a certain description, right? This is the place where you create that description if you want to, like test, okay, something like that. Then we select the image that we want to post, okay, on Facebook or on the social media networks to get clicks. So let me just choose an image for you guys. We go on Pixabay, click. Let's say we want this image. We just copy the address of the image, the URL address. We paste it here, okay, and that's about it. Okay, we have the image URL. We press preview. Yes, this is the correct image, and that's pretty much it. Okay, then the next thing that you will see is this action link controller. So basically what does this action link controller, basically this is the first link where people will go, and then from this link they will be redirected, okay, to our actual link. So why is this important for us? Because you can see here that we have basically we will create like a subdomain, so we can customize this link here. We can give it any name we want, test review, okay, and we have the default controller, okay. In the pro version of the app you can customize this domain name here, okay. But why is this important for us? For example, let's say that we have a link that we want to promote more than once on Facebook, right? When we promote that link for the first time, Facebook gives us the maximum reach that it can give. The second time, if we promote the same link, Facebook will lower the reach. Then the fourth time, it will lower it a little bit. Then the fourth time, a little bit, and so on till we get the minimum reach possible for the same link that we have posted like a week ago, okay? In order for us to avoid that and for a link to seem to Facebook like all the time it's a new link, right? We use this action link controller, okay? And we can change it all the time. So basically we'll have a new link all the time. It is the same redirect link, people will go to the same page, but it seems like it's different, like it's a different one, like a new one for Facebook, right? So I hope this makes sense for you, but keep in mind that this is very, very helpful because it will allow you to have maximum reach all the time, okay? So just type in here your subdomain, it's your choice, you can put in whatever you want, and then you're pretty much done with this part. Then you have some options here when to post the offer, if you want to post it now or post it later. And then you have to choose the social media, so you can schedule it. Basically, you've noticed that, right? And then what you can do is post it either to all the social media networks at a time, or you can post it only to a certain one, or it's up to you, okay? The fun part is that the fact that you can post on all of them at a time if you want. Now, for example, if we have more social media accounts on Facebook, more profiles, we can connect all of them, okay? We can select all of them. Pages, for example, we can select only a part of the pages, or we can select all of them, which is a big advantage. Groups is the same for groups, okay? For the other networks is the same if you go ahead and have a look, okay? So basically this is how it works. It's pretty much the same, okay? You can select all of them. On Pinterest, you can see that we have the profile. Let's see the pages. We want all the pages, the groups, we want all the groups. Okay, and now if I press the button create campaign, it will take a couple of minutes, but it will post everything everywhere, okay? In just a couple of minutes. Now let me just unselect this because I don't actually want to post that on Facebook, but I will allow it on Pinterest as an example for you guys. Now I don't want to select everything, I just want this board, okay? And when I press the create campaign button, campaign has been queued for processing successfully. Okay, click here to see the campaign report. The cool part about this is when we click to see the campaign report, basically we will have a lot of data, okay, after we start to get views, to get clicks and stuff like that. For now we have no data, but we will be able to see which is the country from where we get clicks, how many clicks we got, which is the city, okay, and everything like that, which is very, very helpful, obviously, okay? We can check out the post link if you want to, okay? We can see all the stats here. We have an option here which says traffic report. If you go traffic report, we can see total social posts, okay? When it has been posted, we can see the total clicks, we can see the average click per day, we can see the traffic sources, even the device from where we got the traffic, okay? If it's mobile, if it's desktop, we can see all of these things, okay? Which is pretty nice and pretty important, right? We can see country-wise report, okay? From which country we have, okay? We can see the browser, from which browser people came in. We can see the OS report, okay? We can see basically the operation system from where people have clicked, okay, or the device report. And these are all things that can help us in the future to optimize to get even more traffic, right? Now, this is how your dashboard and your reports will look like. Now, another thing that I want to show you is if you go to the usage log, okay, we have some other options in the menu here. We can see all the actions that we have made in the app, okay, that we have taken with the app, everything that we have done. And this can be helpful as a history for you to see exactly what you have used the app for. Then we have some profile settings, okay, the name, the language, the time zone. You have seen how import social accounts looks like, the create campaigns, the campaign list. We have the campaign list, which is pretty nice, okay, because here we can see all the campaigns, okay, we can search for a specific campaign. We can see the campaign reports, we can see the traffic reports, we can delete the campaign if you want to, okay, and all that stuff. So we will have all our campaigns here, the ones that already were ran, the ones that will be scheduled for later, and so on. Then we have that custom domain settings I've told you about, which are for the pro version, in which we can set our own URL for redirecting and stuff like that. Okay, and then we have the last section, which is the training videos, where basically you can see how it works step by step. Okay, this is pretty much it. This is how SociClicks works. This is the dashboard. As you can see, we are back in the dashboard, and we can see our most recent campaign. We can see our reports here: post, social media, clicks. Okay, day-wise click report, so on days. Okay, day-wise click comparison report. We also have comparison. We can see the countries. We can see the country-wise click report. So we have a lot of analytics that will help us to get even more traffic. So this is pretty much how SociClicks work. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to send us your questions to support, and we hope that you will make most out of this app, because it's indeed unique and very, very useful. It will help you to generate a ton of traffic and to get insights of your audience. That will ultimately help you to make more sales and more money in your business. Now, thank you very much for watching this, and we are looking forward to see your success with SociClicks. Bye bye for now, and thank you very much for your attention.